In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to activate or set up eSIM on your Galaxy Watch. I'm using the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic for the demonstration, but the steps I'll show you are identical for all Galaxy Watches, be it 6, 7, 8 or Ultra. So to connect eSIM or LTE to your Samsung Galaxy Watch, you're gonna need your connected smartphone. First, open the Wearable app on your phone and make sure that your Galaxy Watch is connected to it. Just open Watch Settings, scroll down, and you'll find this Mobile Plans option. Remember, this Mobile Plan option is only available for users who are using an LTE variant of the Galaxy Watch. If you have a Bluetooth Galaxy Watch variant, then you won't find this option in the Wearable app. So, select Mobile Plan, then tap on Next. The Wearable app will automatically start connecting to your service provider. If you're setting up eSIM for the first time, then you may need to create an account. Since I have created an eSIM with my number in the past, it automatically detects it and I just have to log in with an OTP. In my region and with my service provider, the eSIM mirrors my phone's plan, so I don't need to get a separate plan. But depending on your region and service provider, you may need to buy a separate plan for the eSIM on your watch. It has detected my smartwatch. Now I just need to tap here and then tap on Proceed. As you can see, it has now started the process to activate the smartwatch plan with my eSIM. After this, just tap on Use Plan and Done. As you can see, it is setting up the mobile plan for my Galaxy Watch. On the watch, it doesn't show any signals yet, so just wait for a couple of minutes. If even after waiting for quite a bit, you don't see any signal bars on your watch, then you can try restarting it. Restarting will force the watch to sync the settings, and if you have followed the setup process correctly, then the signal bar should appear shortly. Here it is. Now, if you want to use eSIM on your Galaxy Watch for internet, then you can also add this mobile data button to the quick settings menu to easily turn it on or off when you need it. And that is how you can activate and use LTE on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. If you found this video informative, then leave a like and subscribe to Wearable for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.